Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between dividend income and capital gains. Number 1. Dividend income is a regular cash payout from a company or fund, whereas capital gains are the increase in asset value realized when the asset is sold. Number 2. Dividend income comes from company profits distributed to investors, whereas capital gains come from a rise in market price. Number 3. Dividend income focuses on income generation, whereas capital gains focus on wealth appreciation. Number 4. Dividend income provides cash flow without selling the asset, whereas capital gains usually require selling the asset to realize profit. Number 5. Dividend income may be paid monthly, quarterly, or annually, whereas capital gains have no fixed schedule. Number 6. Dividend income is often more predictable, whereas capital gains are more market-dependent and uncertain. Number 7. Dividend income is best for income seekers and retirees, whereas capital gains are usually better for growth-focused investors. Number 8. Dividend income is commonly associated with dividend stocks, REITs, and income funds, whereas capital gains are commonly associated with growth stocks, real estate, and many appreciating assets. Number 9. Dividend income offers a steady income stream, whereas capital gains build value over time. Number 10. Dividend income can be reinvested for compounding, whereas capital gains are often compounded by continuing to hold appreciated assets. Number 11. Dividend income is usually taxed when paid, whereas capital gains are usually taxed when the asset is sold and the profit is realized. Number 12. Dividend income carries the risk that dividends can be reduced or cut, whereas capital gains carry the risk that price gains can reverse during market declines. Number 13. Dividend income may lag inflation if payouts do not grow, whereas capital gains can outpace inflation if asset value rises strongly. Number 14. Dividend income supports current income needs, whereas capital gains are often stronger for long-term wealth building. Number 15. Dividend income mainly aims to maximize ongoing passive income, whereas capital gains mainly aim to maximize total value growth. So, the quick takeaway is that dividend income focuses on cash flow now, whereas capital gains focus on building wealth through rising asset value. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.